Hello, Clear Bra, North Dallas. 2022 BMW M3 Comp Full Wrap Expel Ultimate Plus. Let's take a look at what we got here. Everything getting wrapped, edges, corners, everything that we can. No issues. No reason to have to seam these out. All this is one continuous piece, all wrapped around all the corners. Everything all nicely done. Following around all the fenders. Everything perfectly wrapped in. Coming around these edges, fully wrapped in all the way through. Fenders fully wrapped in. These come off simple, so we don't have to worry about having a line around there. Wrapping under our wheel balls always. Doing these little water there, but anyway, doing these flares and the aero kit and the rockers all in one. Taking these door handles out, getting all in here, coming around these edges, getting the film under there as well, coming around the windows as tight as we can. We don't take any of the moldings off, but everything, the door opens obviously, and then it gets wrapped inside and it comes around inside this edge. Coming to the back here, no need to remove the lights. We're able to wrap in all these edges here very nicely. And then coming around the back, this one we removed, but the other one over there, the stealth one, we didn't remove. The owner doesn't want us to take it off. So coming around over here, wrapping in our gas cap or gas port area, wrapping our gas cap. That all comes off easy enough. And then same thing over here, everything wrapped in very nice. Got to get those edges wrapped. Everything nice and tight. It's very simple to do, easy to get under these moldings. If they come off, great. If not, they can still go underneath. And our mirrors go in a couple pieces because it's so sectioned off. So we got this as the top, but we seam very nicely in here to bring it around. And all the acrylics were done except for, actually all the acrylics were done, all the black shiny stuff. So go over that other Stealth M3 Comp, then the DBX, the Porsche, and then this Type R. So these are all full cars. Be happy to talk about those tomorrow as we start finishing up. ClearBraNorthDallas.com. Thanks for watching. Any questions, you can get me at 214-414-3809, extension 1. And I'm Brent, and thanks for watching.